Our calling as a church is to serve and equip leaders. We believe that everyone is a leader and that our leaders deserve the absolute best training and equipment available. We understand that everyone is a leader here in our church. Our philosophy is to serve and equip leaders and teach them how to duplicate themselves. So the philosophy there and the goal there is to create a growing group of leaders that are constantly focused on duplicating themselves in a way where they create leaders who create leaders and directly impacting the communities they live in. We're not just about theory, we're about action and doing. We're constantly finding new and innovative ways to teach our leaders how to actually do these things that we call ministry, and for our leaders to actually use their gifts and practice serving and equipping others. For us, again, it's about doing. The Bible doesn't just say, go and sit and think about the word, go and sit and think about serving others. It says, go and do. It gives a lot of action words if we go back to our elementary school grammar there. So we're all about serving and equipping leaders and getting them to a position where they can serve and equip others and duplicate that cycle. But it all starts with the leaders right here on our team, then right here inside our church, and it's focused regionally. So whether you attend our church or whether you attend another church, you're welcome to come in and get served and equipped to go out and serve other people. And if you serve another church, we're not going to force you to tithe or make you feel guilty about that. Just come and get something good and take it back to your church. We love other churches, we love leaders, and we just want to serve you in any way we can.